Hello Roman, how are you? We are studying or taking our lecture for today. It is about the inequalities. Inequalities. And now I am about to start our lesson today. It is about the inequalities. Roman, do you hear me? Roman, you hear me? Our lecture has started. Anyway, I am recording the lecture for you, and I will broadcast for you to on the e-school inshallah ta'ala, and after recording it in my mobile bus. Now the inequalities. Let's take an example. So the following inequality. In the exam, I will give you this question saying solve the following inequality. Solve the following inequality. And sometimes I ask you to represent the solution, on the numbers line. Sometimes I ask you, sometimes I don't ask you, okay? If I asked you, you will represent. But if I didn't ask you, you are not obliged to represent it on the numbers line. Suppose we have the following inequality. 7x minus 3 cubed less than or equal 2x. Here is 2x. Suppose plus 16. This type of inequalities, dear student, I call it multi-step inequality. Why multi-step? Because I am solving it by 2 or 3 steps, okay, or more than step by step. First, I remember to recall that because of this bad circumstances, we are obliged to broadcast for you online because this bad circumstances which is happening to us, and we are obliged to do this for you, dear students. As I told you, so as to solve inequality, do I have powers? Yeah, here is a power. 3 squared. Solution. Look, solution. 7x minus 3 squared. 3 squared means 3 times 3. Okay? 3 times 3, which equals 9. 7x minus 9 less than or equal 2x plus 16. First, I solve all the powers. Now, 3 squared is 9. Now I will move. I will check the inequality. Does it have an absolute values? No. Does it have powers? No. Does it have roots? No. Does it have brackets? No, it doesn't. Definitely. Thus, I am moving to the second step. The second step related with moving all the letters to the left of the inequality and the numbers to the right of the inequality. I mean, with the letters, the English letters which exist in the inequality x, y, z, and etc. there is this x. And this x, I will move this to this side. Take care of this kind of questions, dear students. Why? Because it's important for you in the third intermediate, in the next stage. This, I will get 7x. 2x will come here. Here 2x is positive. It comes here, it will be negative. Less than or equal. The 16 in its place. Don't forget, when I am moving an equality in quantity, I put it after the original quantity. And reflex its signal. Now 16 in its place. Here is number 9 will come here. Here is 9. What is its signal? It's negative, the group positive. Okay? I have approximately solved it in approximately 70%. Now I simplify. Here it is, simplify. How? 7x minus 2x. I am treating the letters as a fruit. 7 apples minus 2 apples. Suppose I have 7 apples and I ate 2 apples of them. What is the rest? The rest is 5 apples. 5x is not or equal. 16 plus 9. 25. 25. Now, what is the next step? What is the next step? The next step is I am divided by the factor of the variable. I divide by 5 and here is by 5. 5 by 5. 1. 1 times x. X less than or equal. 25. Divided by 5. 5. Here is 5. X less than or equal 5. Here's the final solution. Here's the final solution. This type of solution in the third intermediate we call it algebraic solution. Algebraic solution. Now, graphically how? If he asks me saying represent the solution on the numbers line, what could I do? I will do it as the following. I will write the line and put here is a node. Okay? Circle or node, call it as you like. And this, I will write the number. I don't know. And go to the inequality tag. Check it. Does it have equality? Yeah. If it has an equality, I will shape the circle. Okay? Here is x. Less than. Put a stop. I am always putting a stop on the numbers line. The stop direction take either the direction either go to the right if it is the inequality greater, or to the left if the inequality is less than smaller. I mean, the values of x which satisfies the solution of the inequality, all the numbers which are less than or equal 5. I mean 5, 4, 3, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, until negative infinity. Okay? All they are satisfying the solution of this inequality. Dear students, let's move to another example.